Hello, hello, hello. Let's talk about content creation. Okay? Like, I know that creating content on these internet streets can be hard. I know that you got Facebook, you got Instagram, you got TikTok, you got YouTube, you got LinkedIn, you got Pinterest, you got your website, you got Snapchat, you got emails. I know you have so many pieces of content, and sometimes you just don't know what to create. Well, you know, my friends at Tailwinds came up with the amazing Tailwind Create, where you can literally feed it one of your creations, so to speak, and then it will just replicate all of these amazing, like really great images.
All right, so we are on Tailwinds, and we actually clicked on this little brush, which takes you to Tailwind Creates. So you just click here, this button, to start a design, and it will initialize. So I'm going to pull an existing design that I created in Canva, and I'm going to show you how quickly this app will replicate other design content that is similar, that is fresher than all of that. I'm going to type in my website. The images here, it pulls the colors from the images here, and then I can add text. I can also change the font. Now at the bottom, I can decide if I want no branding, or if I want the website or the brand name, or if I want the logo added. And so look at the images that it pulls up. Love it. And then once you lock in on one, let's lock in on this one. So I'm going to edit real quick. Boom, voila, voila. And I can save or I can download the image. So I'm going to download this image. I like it.